Hello friends, today in this video we learn articles. Article a and the. First, definition of articles. Articles are little words that comes before nouns. Articles and nouns. Articles are a and the. And nouns can be people, things, or places. First, article A. Article A is used for singular noun. Singular noun starts with consonant sounds. For example, a car, a teacher, a university. Then an, a and an. An is used for singular noun, starts with vowel. Sound. For example, an apple, an hour, an elephant. An hour, H is silent for, so we read hour. Next, the. The is used for specific or unique noun or one of a kind. For example, the moon, the sun, the book, the earth, the Nile. Let's example of filling the blanks of using a